Now children, here in this video I am going to explain you about the resistivity or specific resistance term. You all know very well in the previous derivation R is equal to rho L upon A. If I consider that L is equal to 1 meter or 1 centimeter, A is equal to 1 meter square, then in that case R will be equal to rho. So from this condition we have got the definition of the resistivity or specific resistance. What is this? It is the specific resistance. It is for material of conductor as resistance of a unit length with unit area of cross section of material of conductor. Okay children, so this is a constant quantity for any kind of material. It is a property of the material of a conductor. We have a different kind of material: iron, copper, silver, manganese, semiconductor. So these kind of material, for these kind of material, the value of resistivity or specific resistance for unit length and unit area will be a constant quantity, and it is different for different material. So basically it is a property of the material. Now the unit of this quantity, how you will get, since R is equal to rho L by A, so from here rho is equal to R into A by L. So this is ohm, this is meter square, and this is meter. So the unit of rho comes out to be ohm meter. Okay, so this is the unit of the specific resistance or resistance. Now we have derived the relation, that is V by I, reduction of Ohm's law. R is equal to V by I is equal to ml upon Ne square A tau. Okay, this derivation we have, this formula we have derived in the reduction of the Ohm's law derivation. So when we will compare this with this formula rho L by A, okay, so this can be written as m upon Ne square A and Ne square tau L by E. Okay, Ne square tau L by E. So on comparing this and this formula, what you have got? You have got the value of rho, another formula of rho. So on comparing this and this, you have got rho is equal to m upon Ne square tau. So this is another formula of the specific resistance, and the in terms of the relaxation time, number density of electron, mass of electron, and charge on electron. So now we have a different factors on which resistivity depend. So what are the factors on which the resistivity depend? We have a factors on which the resistivity depend, that is first temperature of conductor. If you will increase the temperature of conductor, then the vibrations between the electron and the other ions and atom increases, so resistance increases, so that the resistivity also increases. Second is nature of material of conductor. Material of conductor. Okay, so for different kind of material, for iron, copper, manganese, semiconductor, the resistivity will be different. If you will change the material of conductor in the any circuit, if you have taken the copper wire in place of the manganese wire, or you have taken the iron wire in place of the manganese wire, then what you will get? You will get the different value of the resistivity through the experiment. So these are the two factors. There is no effect on increasing the length or area of conductor. No effect on increasing or decreasing L or A on the resistivity. So this is all about the resistivity.